directionally challenged hiker here this Saturday, October 8th, at the little house in the desert with Never Ending Project, and we are going to tackle some of this trailer, the remains of it today. Not sure how much we're getting done. Last time we were here, it's been a few. It's a real pain in the butt, but it is part of getting the property cleaned up, so I guess we got to do it. But just kind of doing a little walk around. Come a long way now to finish it. Got our dumpster over here. It's been sitting all summer. Actually got a phone call today, kind of them wondering. So we told them we should be done with it by the end of October. So guess that is the goal. Need to get moving. Another big gap in working on the property, and a lot has happened since then. I had a September 19th hike in the Grand Canyon that was to be 10 days, and yeah, I bailed. So I might link that video before about bailing on that hike and why, but been just over 2 weeks here since I kind of hurt my knee. I'm definitely not like climbing down into that pit today, just kind of moving stuff. And yeah, I can move, just certain things I can't be doing at this point. But yeah, it'd been a while. And if only I knew how many times I would be moving these pavers. Yes, we want these pavers, but it's been kind of like the great paver migration. I'm trying to move some of them out of the way now, and they get moved over by that tree. And as you will see later down the road, those pavers will be moved again, and probably again. But yeah, looks like I'm a bit out of practice with footage. Again, I'm just viewing this on my little computer screen in edit mode. But yeah, I think I need to be more consistent. And we are heading in now, and he's climbing up on the roof. We've actually had some wind, and there is some damage up there. We'll have to repair that at a later date. And then we went in, checked out the upstairs, and we'd had a bird get back in. It's like, seriously, what is it with these birds? But I guess that is why you shouldn't leave a property just sit unattended for an extended period of time. We really need to be out there consistently, working on it. Even if we're not out there living at this point, we need to be getting out there and doing our projects. So, well, the birds have been trying to help us where we need to cut out our door for the upper level. Yeah, but we're not ready to do that yet, so now we need to keep them out again. I climbed upstairs, and there were signs of a bird having been in there. Yeah, he pooped on that window that I took forever to clean. Probably the last time I was out here. So I'll take you up top in just a minute. So yeah, those pesky birds trying to get the door opened up for us when we're not ready. And making a mess. Look at that. Man, destructive little critters. I didn't even notice that right off. I was checking my window, and I'm looking at it going, what happened to my window? I don't know if it's going to show up. But yeah, he pooped on my window and kind of made a mess. I think you can see the little smudges down. He must have been trying to get out for a while, and then he gave up and decided to eat a hole over there. Actually, a couple holes. So we put some screen over those. Really need to get moving. All right, a little bit of a wrap up here this Saturday, October 8th. He made some progress on this area. I guess as he got down towards the near to me end, most of them were bolted, which just makes it a little bit more annoying to get them off. But we do want, I mean, you're seeing that steel trailer frame in there, and since it was a double fried, it was a double wide, not a double fried. It is kind of fried at this point. Yeah, we have 2 of those, so we are hoping to put those to use, making a roof over our shipping containers, Connex, and doing some rainwater collection. Yeah, we do get rain in Arizona. We had an awesome monsoon season this year, and yeah, but he's going to try to get some debris out of the back of the pickup truck, as we brought over some of our scrap metal and some other miscellaneous stuff from our son's place. We do want the scrap metal, but he really doesn't need our, collection of stuff in his backyard. So he's pulling the truck up so that he can back it up and sweep out the bed. We also did some stump removal this past week, and yeah, lots of debris in back of the truck. So that is a wrap for today. Until next time, directionally challenged hiker.